Hey guys, this is my first video. Yeah, so today I'm just gonna be talking about what we're gonna do. Yeah, so I've been trying to make a channel. So yeah, and I finally made one, and you can probably see I've got my water bottle here. So we're gonna talk about what we're gonna do here. So we're gonna do lots of stuff. Right, what we're gonna do is, just so you know, my channel is called The Brick ABC. So what we're gonna do is water flipping, maybe water flipping, computer stuff, video games. When I go to baseball, basketball practices or something, I'm just gonna film stuff. So yeah, which is pretty cool. Then I'll upload them for you guys. My goal is to get to 50 or at least 30 subscribers in 1 month. Well, I can't do that without your help, so I just need your help. And so yeah, so that's pretty much it. I just talked about what we're gonna do. So please subscribe, thumbs up, and like this video. So thanks for everything, guys. Bye bye.